for 2023, they started taking you to the lakes by shuttle. You have to get your pass online, and the free one is hard to get. So we went with a private company to drop us off there and pick us up. I know. It is really awesome. Just so blue. Amazing.
Okay, we got one more view here to look at. Favorite kind of steps.
Oh, yeah. At least they're not for giant people, y'all. They're normal.
You have to do a panoramic. That one right there, just straight out. Bit of smoke haze. Not bad though. It's a beautiful place.
And we're way up here, and we got to go down there somewhere.
We'll hike back down.
Yeah.
Hike for the day. Our bus will be here at 2:10.
Yep. So we got to go.
Well, the Earth and its movement of the plates. That's what it said in that book. Shoots these mountains up like this. Oh man, it's beautiful.
It is. And there's another glacier right on top of that mountain there. It is downright gorgeous. So what'd you say about the hike?
It wasn't too bad. About 100 feet up there. 6,146 feet. I think
But when you come from sea level, that's quite a hike.
Yeah, a little bit of a hike.
But the steps were perfect. No big, giant steps. It was awesome.
This one is 0.25K.
So this is free if you're on your bike
Yeah,
or you want to walk it.
right.
I don't want to walk it, and it's uphill all the way practically. So if you have a bike, you got to be in great shape or have an e-bike to help you.
Exactly.
Looks like
These are regular. Oh no, a couple of these are e-bikes.
some of them are regular, some of them are e.
Yeah,
As far as I can tell you, there's no fee for this.
that's awesome.
Here's what I love. Right here. Look at that. Give wildlife space. Cyclists are particularly favorites. Suspectable.
Exactly. They become
Sudden-
fast food.
Dangerous bear encounters. Fast food down the hill.
Yep, that's it. Ah.
It says, be alert, make noise down the hill so the bear will know where you're at. No, I'm just kidding. So you can avoid the bears.
All right. Well, we're waiting on our bus, y'all.
We can walk over here. We got.
How much?
Huh?
How much is it to rent?
For an hour, I figured it'd be like $50, but that's not it. It's $140 an hour.
An hour.
I don't know if that has to do with any size or not. Just whatever you. I guess it may go up. I don't know.
Jeez, and
I
there's
ain't gonna
a
do it. I just look.
wow.
But you can bring your own blow-up canoe on the bus.
Yes,
Yep. If you get your own blow, you can bring that.
gorgeous. And look at that blue sky, y'all. Oh my gosh.
2 days from now, it's gonna be rainy and about 65 degrees.
Wow.
But it's got to have the rain to keep this going. And the
That's
snow.
it.
So you gotta
Yeah.
have the different weather to keep it going.
I mean, I don't know if you can see, but the water is so clear.
Turquoise blue. Beautiful. It's almost the color of my 57 Chevrolet.
Yeah.
I
Beautiful.
didn't know how cool I was back then.
My favorite color. See, that lady's got a blow-up paddleboard. And she carries it all in that black bag there.
And you stay out here as long as you want, as long as you got a way back.
Yeah, yeah. Get in the way back. Okay, Mr. Childers, where are we?
We're at the Truffle Pig in
Yep.
Fields, Canada, in Yoho
Yoho.
National Park. Everything on the other side over there near Lake Louise was closed
If they closed at 4 o'clock.
because we don't know why they don't have the staff, but it is what it is. So we drove 15 minutes to get over here.
There's the bar back there. Nice. Yeah, and that's a good looking burger. Look at that thing.
Amen.
Yummy.
We'll try it out for y'all.
Fries are good. And I got a burger with a salad.